Good day, ma'am, sir. I hope you're fine and in good condition while watching my video. I am Susana Quinto Sangalang, 42 years old, with 2 children, 20 years old and 16 years old. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I graduated high school in Tansan National Comprehensive High School. I did not continue my college because of financial problems. I also have experience there in Hong Kong on taking care of 11 years old girl to assist her to taking a bath and feed her. I also assist her to go to school, send her and pick up her after school. And I also do the house chores like washing the dishes, laundering, flat ironing, vacuum the floor, mopping the floor, cleaning the house, marketing, cook food for the family, and I also taking care of cat. Please, ma'am, sir, please give me a chance on working as your helper. I promise to do my very best to do my duties and responsibilities wholeheartedly. Thank you and God bless. I am looking forward on working with you. See you there in Hong Kong!